Hi everyone! Today we're going to do a quick video on two verbs that are very common but often get confused. These are say and tell. Okay, let's go. Say focuses on the words themselves, not the person who heard them. Let's have a look. Using say to is not really very common. Native speakers rarely use this. We would normally switch to tell instead. Tell focuses on who receives the message. You must include a listener. Awesome work, everyone. I hope this was helpful. Remember to leave your comments below. Like and subscribe to the Revision Station for more grammar videos. Okay, bye-bye.